how to use COCONOTE app. So this is amazing new app. Highly recommend you to try out, especially if you're a student in the college, university, or in a high school. So the idea of the app is that you can turn audio and video into notes, flashcards, quizzes, and more. So if you're in the lecture, like for example, if you're in some boring lecture which lasts 2 hours, you can just record this lecture, upload as audio file, and then this app in seconds will create really nice summary and then also quiz and flashcards, everything for you. So yep, let's just try it out. You can also upload YouTube links and things like that. So for example, here's some lecture at Yale University about Roman Empire or Middle Ages. So let's just open the app. It's a free app. Here it is. And then basically, you just tap to create a new note. This app has a paid plan, but it allows you to create few test free notes, but then, it's becoming paid. So here, for example, I have a YouTube video of the lecture. So then I need to invite friends, but basically, all right, so let's just show you this. Let's see if I can create. Anyhow, so they just only allow one note, which is a pity. But like the idea is that you just create a one note, and then you will have the whole overview of the lecture. And then if you wanna invite friends here, you can just go out and invite a friend, and then you just, for every invited friend, you will get a free note. Obviously, they can't make it that everyone uses it for free, because I guess all these like AI calls are quite expensive. So that's just what it is.